Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another sneaker mystery box for today, guys. This one is going to be $13.50, so another high tier mystery box, and it's going to be from Soul Supremacy. So you guys already know Soul Supremacy has the best mystery boxes out there, so it's going to be a banger for sure. If you guys didn't catch last week's episode, I'll link it up over here. But what's really important about this link is that you guys need to click that link to get into the giveaway that we have going on right now for a $500 pair of your dream sneakers. And entering is super easy, guys. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel, like that video, follow me on Instagram at Untied Hawaii, and then also on that video, not this video, go to the video over there, comment on that video your sneaker size and what your dream shoe would be, and also your Instagram handle so I know who to contact if you guys win. So go over there and enter, but let's get into today's mystery box, guys. All right, what do we got here? Ooh, interesting box, man. No guest today, as you guys see. We do have the homie Kuma down here, though. Kuma, you wanna come up and say hi? Come on. Yep, you guys know Kuma, basically the mascot of the channel. Say hi, Kuma. Look over there. Ugh, yeah, he's a boring mascot. We also have Delilah over here. She doesn't have space to come up, so she's not gonna jump up here. But, yep, the dogs are here today. Yahoo! Alright, now I got dog fur everywhere. Let's get into it, baby. First things first, I saw a Jordan 1 box. You guys know that's my favorite box. This one, though, is a size 12, so I can't fit that. But for this one, we have a pair of... This is interesting. Okay, what is this? What is the exact brand name for this? I'm not entirely certain, man. But it does have NYC over here on the tongue, so I'm guessing it's an NYC Jordan. I'm not sure. This one is like an all-black Jordan with kind of like a cement or Oreo kind of sole right here. You guys can't see on the back heel over here, there is a 23. And like I mentioned earlier, there is NYC over here on the tongue. And also on the back over here, you guys can see 23 New York. So I'm assuming that's the Jordan store up there in NYC. Maybe it was an exclusive collab drop or something. It is a pretty nice sneaker, but a little bit plain in my opinion. Hopefully it has some good value though. All right, and I guess we're just gonna start it off with a banger too. This shoe did not have a box, man. Let me make sure that this thing zips up because I know that these shoes in particular are bad with zippers. Zips up, so we're good. Anyway, this is a pair of Yeezy 750 gray gums, or the glows, whatever you guys want to call it. This sole does glow in the dark after it's been exposed to light for a certain amount of time. Very cool. Actually, my favorite 750 model. This one does look like it's in a size 10 and obviously has no box, but still a solid Yeezy it looks like. It does look like the suede over here is a little bit worn on this side right here by the zipper, and also a little bit on the toe box too. Rest of the shoe doesn't look too bad though. Strap still opens up perfectly, nothing wrong there, no issues. Bottoms, the soles look, I mean, dirty, it's been used, but the boost still looks relatively white, so it doesn't look like there's any issues here as well. These shoes do run a little bit bigger from what I've seen, so you guys kind of want to size down on these. So if you're like a size 10 half, this size 10 might be perfect. I think they're a great winter shoe and honestly a pretty good look. I do hope that Kanye actually retros these eventually because a lot of people really like the 750s, myself included. It's just, I think they need an update in technology and stuff to be like relevant nowadays. All right, next up, we have a pair of Jordan 6 in a size 10. And this one is a pair of like the iridescent or like the all-star Jordan 6s. I think they're also called the Chameleons for like obvious reasons. It does have like a good like color changing kind of palette. So this one is cool. And this is what I mean when you guys look at it close up. When you guys move it in the light, there does kind of like change colors somewhat. Kind of like a blue and purple vibe going throughout the entire shoe. This one is worn. You guys can see those dirty bottoms. It doesn't look like there's any issues on the top though. For the most part, the leather still looks very good and intact. No heavy toe box creasing over here, which is a good sign. So this one was another good pickup. Jordans move pretty easy, man. Everybody loves their J's. Next up is a Jordan 4 box, this looks like. This one though is in a size 9, and I'm pretty sure I know the colorway for this. Yep. But this one does look like it's an older Jordan 4 bread. I want to say this is a 2012 version. Let me check in here. Yeah, so this is the 2012 version. I mean, it's pretty easy to tell for this one because over here, like these little like, I don't know what these are called, like aglets? No, that's on the laces. What is this called? Whatever these thingies are called over here. This one is kind of discolored, so it's obviously not the newest release Jordan 4 bread, but I mean, still in very solid condition actually for a 8-year-old shoe now. Jordan 4 bread, one of the most classic colorways of all time for the Jordan 4 model. It does have like a little bit of paint chipping over here on the inner midsole. Nothing too heavy though. Usually this thing is like really beat up if they wore it a lot. You guys can't see the Jumpman on the back instead of the Nike air that's on the new shoes, so this is something unique to the 2012 version. If you guys are interested in this one, it definitely will be on the web store, untiedahawaii.com. All of the shoes that I can't fit or I'm not planning on keeping actually go there, so if you guys want to buy them, I would suggest you guys go like right now, honestly, like pause the video and go now, because they have been selling out really quick. Untiedahawaii.com, check it out. Next up, we got another Jordan 1 box, it looks like. This one though is in a size 10. Ooh, and I'm wondering if it has this shoe in here, this one on the picture. That'd be nice, because that would be a Jordan 1 black toe. Nice, okay, good. So this might actually be one of the money shoes of the box. And this shoe is back from 2012, so it does look like it's an older model. However, I don't see any issues with this one at all. When you guys look at it up close, this is the Jordan 1 black toe. Very nice colorway. It does look like it has that weird, like, I don't know what this thing is called. I call it like the glitter. Basically what happens is that the Jordan 1s, the glue, after a certain amount of time, it like seeps onto the shoe. You guys should be able to clean this off with just like soap and water though, so nothing too crazy over there. Toe box creasing, very minimal, not bad at all. Nothing over here for star loss, so actually a very solid condition Jordan 1 black toe. I don't have this in the collection. I really feel like I should, because it is a classic colorway, but man, this is just so similar to like the bread toes and the breads, and I just have too much red and white like Jordan 1, so I feel like I don't really need this one. However, I know a lot of people love this, so I'm sure that one will sell very fast on the web store. All right, next up we have over here. No, man. This is a tough shoe to unbox, man. This one is a Kobe box, which I was not expecting, because you guys know I made a video actually talking about the price of Kobe skyrocketing after he had the tragedy of the helicopter crash. So I was not expecting to see like any Kobe's in any box. You guys can see the Nike and the Kobe model on the back over there. This might be a replacement box, but I'd be surprised if the Kobe's are actually in. Oh man. Okay, so they actually are in here. That's really interesting. I'm very surprised that Soul Supremacy is like putting out Kobe's in these. And this is dead stock? No way. Really? Okay, interesting. This is called the Mambo Rage, and apparently it's in a dead stock condition. And I'm not sure if this is supposed to be a play off of the Grinches, but it does look similar to the Kobe 6 Grinches that are like insanely popular. So that's very interesting. I'm very surprised that they put this in the box. If you guys want to check it out up close, this is the Mambo Rage in the electric green colorway. Over here, you guys can see a very unique lining. It's kind of like a fur material running throughout over here. It does have a green and red pattern, so kind of like a Christmas vibe running throughout the shoe. Classic Mambo logo over here, and replacement red laces if you guys want to switch it up. So this is dead stock. I am very impressed that they sent this. I don't know if these are like highly coveted now, because I mean, literally, like when we were talking about that video about Kobe, all of his shoes like skyrocketed in price after, you know, he tragically died with his daughter Gigi. We had that whole video about it, and a lot of people are still feeling like the repercussions of that, you know, like how to deal with like loss and tragedy and the loss of a hero essentially. So wow, dude, I'm really like speechless on this one. I can't believe they sent this. This is crazy. This is crazy. Mambo, man. Rest in peace, Kobe Bryant, dude. Such a legend. Such a legend. And this box is legendary too, man. Snakeskin pattern over the whole thing. Thought this was like one of the coolest boxes ever. All right, 2 shoes left. This one though is a 4D Adidas box, so I don't see these very often. This one is in a size 6. Ooh, I can't remember what these are called. I think I actually had a pair of these at one point, and this one might be brand new, maybe? I'm not sure. Yep, this is a brand new pair. Okay, cool. So we have a pair of the 4D, I want to say these are called the Carbons. However, it is dead stock. You guys can still see it has those size tags and stuff attached, so that's good. 4D technology over here on the sole. Supposedly very comfortable. I've never owned any 4Ds because they are expensive for retail, but yeah, nice colorway overall, not too bad. I think it's actually less than retail. A lot of people, like I said, have a hard time buying these because their retail pricing is just so high that there's like no resale market for it, because just all of it goes to the retail pricing. So a lot of people aren't feeling that one. However, I've heard the technology is great, so it might be a good one for you guys to cop. And the last shoe in the box over here is gonna be a Jordan 4 box. Nope, this is a Jordan 60 plus. So anytime I see a weird box name, I'm assuming it's a replacement box for a good pair of shoes. Let's hope that's the case here. This one is a pair of, yeah. Okay, so a pretty good pair, man. This is the Jordan 4 Lasers. Very iconic Jordan 4, man. And this one is in pretty good condition, it looks like. Is it a size 10.5? It's actually in a size 11.5 though. And if you guys can believe it, this shoe is from 2005, so that is a 15-year-old shoe now. It's so insane when you see like a shoe that's like over a decade old and it's like in solid condition still. They call it the lasers because it has laser etching throughout the entire shoe. However, it is on like a fire red kind of colorway. You guys can see like that black, red, also those whites obviously running throughout the shoe. Does have that Jumpman logo on the back, but that laser etching, when you guys look at it up close, is just insane, man. Very nice quality, very iconic sneaker, and this one is in solid condition for a 15-year-old sneaker. This is a really good way to end the box. Iconic sneaker right here, and solid value, I would assume still. They haven't remade the lasers, I believe, yet, so this probably still will go for about a couple $100, which is really good. That is it for this beater box, man. For like the $1,000 to $2,000 range, this one is very solid. Yeezy 750, the 4D dead stock, the Kobe's obviously, Jordan 4 lasers. There was a good mix of stuff in here. For $1,350, I definitely think we got our money's worth for sure. For sure. Anyway, if you guys don't want to pick up any of these, again, check out untiedhawaii.com. Additionally, don't forget to enter that giveaway, guys. I will link all of that in the description below. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I love all of you guys behind the camera, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoots!